Good morning, my dear children. Today we discuss about encoding schemes or string representation. String is any finite sequence of characters. Anything which is enclosed either in single quotes or in double quotes is a string. Any string include letters, numerals, symbols or punctuation marks. If I have written this, so this is a string because it is a combination of letters. But computers are designed to work internally with numbers. In order to handle these characters, we need to choose a number for each character. There are many ways to do this. These ways are known as encoding schemes. There are different types of encoding schemes we used. First is an ASCII, Unicode and ISCII. Today we discuss ASCII. ASCII means American National Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a most commonly used coding system and it's pronounced as ASCII. It is defined in ANSI document X3.4-1977. It is a 7-bit code and its 8-bit code is unused or it is used for a parity bit. Parity bit is used when we transfer data from one device to another and it is used for error checking. There are 128 codes in ASCII, as we know that 2 raised to the power 7 equals to 128 codes. And in 95 are the graphic codes displayable on console and 33 are control codes and which control the control features of the console or for communication channel. So these are the ASCII values of the different alphabets or the different string different characters. And suppose we have a word hello world and we want to convert this into an ASCII. Suppose when you press A, through keyboard I have pressed A, but what the drivers of the printer do, they convert A into number which will be understood by the computer, means convert it either into ASCII or ISCII or Unicode. So in this way we can convert hello world. Suppose I have a H, write down the binary value of H and you can also convert it into hexadecimal and decimal which I have taught earlier. Write the binary value of E, then L, then L, O, then comma, binary value of comma, and same way you can convert them into a binary, into a hexadecimal or decimal values. And so this is the ASCII value of hello world. So this is the way how we will convert a number, a alphabet or a letter or a symbol into a ASCII code or into a number readable by a computer. Thank you.